Our signature tour here at DC by Foot is our National Mall Tour. The tour is offered throughout the day, morning, noon, and night. This is a great way to start your vacation to DC and see the major landmarks of the city. We always start at the corner of Constitution Avenue and 15th Street Northwest, the corner closest to the Washington Monument. Look out for your guide in orange. On the tour, we will see the Washington Monument, dedicated to our first president, General George Washington, and take a quick peek at the south side of the White House. For every stop on the tour, we will explain the history and design of the memorials. Every memorial has symbolic meaning behind its design, things that if you didn't have a tour guide, you might miss. From helping you find hidden graffiti to locating a name on the Vietnam Wall, our guides are here to help you make the most of your visit. The group will visit the World War II Memorial, which uses stone and bronze to tell the story of America's participation in that epic struggle. In addition to the famous memorials, we will also cover other design elements of the National Mall, including the reflecting pool and Constitution Gardens. We will continue down to the Vietnam Veterans Memorial. Your guide will provide an inspiring narrative that puts all the design elements into perspective and explain how this controversial structure has become one of the most visited sites in DC. Our guide will walk you through the Korean War Veterans Memorial, where the granite wall and stainless steel statues will tell another story of sacrifice and struggle. But the star of the show is the Lincoln Memorial. Having a guide provide the context for your first visit here will help you experience it as it was meant to be seen, as well as clear up some of the many myths about it. The tour takes a relaxed pace and offers opportunity to explore each memorial on your own for a few minutes of reflection and photographs. You will come away from the tour with a deeper understanding and appreciation for its history and symbolism. We look forward to hosting you on this tour and showcasing what is popularly known as America's front yard.